worry. I'll behave myself. Thank you for allowing your daughters to be involved in this mess. For trusting me.
Years ago, when the girls were really little, I was in trouble. And I was scared. I put the girls in the car and I drove. And I ended up in New Orleans, looking for you. You weren't there, but the point is, I think a part of me has always known that you weren't the villain of my story. I think we need to get back to the school. It's time.
We'll be right behind you. She can have the next 5 minutes dancing.
I don't get it. Aren't there a million things that you want to say to her about life, boys, or how to file taxes? I don't know.
She'll figure it out. What I want to do is, I want to stand here and watch my daughter dance with a townie.